Hi, Alex here. Welcome back to the course and welcome back to yet another new section entitled Tips in Using UI Kit. And in this first video, we are talking about named UI colors. So let's dive in. And as you can see, we have a blank page here that really imports UIKit because we are going to talk about UI colors. Now go ahead and click this button to see what we actually have here, and if you don't have the resources unfolded here, go ahead and do so, and you will see that here we have our flat UI colors Swift XC assets. Now these are UI colors, and you can see that here we have our universal colors, and you can add them if you just go ahead and click on this plus button and go ahead and add a new color set, and then you can predefine your colors. Now we are going to use all of these, and as you can see there are two folders here. We are going to use all of these in our example project now. So make sure that you have these assets in your project. Okay, now how to access them? Well, it is pretty simple. Let's create a color here. Let color equals, and now I want to add here. So first thing how you could access this is type in color literal, and this will give you a white color. But if you double click on it, you can choose from the predefined or recently used colors, or you could just simply tap on other and you get these options where you can select your colors. But this is a really cumbersome way of finding it, so let's delete this and hit Shift Command M, and you will see this media come up, and if you just delete this, you see that you can search, let's say Dracula, or let's search for another one, let's say bright. And there you go. And when you do have your preferred color, you just simply drag and drop it to where you want to. And that is it. Now you can see your actual color in your code. And that is all about named UI colors. I hope you enjoyed this video.